Robert has invited George to his house to discuss business and laugh merrily together. But oh dear, Robert has forgotten something. What could it be? Tea. Robert has forgotten to offer George some tea. Oh dear. When inviting a friend round to your house, always remember to offer them some tea. The formal way.
George, would you like a cup of tea?
Oh, yes please.
The casual way.
Do you want a cup of tea?
Oh, yes please.
And the more casual way.
George, do you fancy a cup of tea?
In this video, you will learn the correct method to make and prepare tea to your companion's satisfaction. Step 1. Fill the kettle with water and put it on to boil. Step 2. Enjoy the spectacle of boiling water. Watch it as it gets hotter and hotter. Isn't it fascinating? Step 3. Put the tea bag in the mug and pour in the boiling water. Happy boy. Step 4. Wait for the tea to brew and then remove the tea bag. Oh no. What is Robert doing? Remember to always ask how much milk your companion would like.
How much milk do you take, George?
Just a dash.
There, that's better. Oh no, what is Robert doing now? Remember to always ask if your companion would like sugar.
Do you take sugar? Oh yes, sir. One please. Of course.
However, not everybody takes sugar, so please prepare for the situation should it arise.
Do you take sugar? Oh, no thank you.
Congratulations, Robert, on your hosting of a successful tea party.